Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, I'll be talking about how to pay property taxes for any county in Texas. So if your home is located in a particular county, you need to pay the property taxes to that particular county, and it has several tax components such as the emergency services component, the school district component, the college district component, and other components. So first of all, in order to make a payment, you can do the payment online or through mail. Now the online is a very fast and secure option. So for that you need to go to the county website. So let us take an example of the Travis County. For the Travis County, please note down the website. It is tax-office.traviscountytexas.gov. So Texas is TX. Now you need to go to that website, and as you can see under the properties section for the Travis County, and this is a county in which your residence is located, for which you are paying the property taxes. You can see the option of pay property taxes. You need to click on this particular link, and then you need to search your property. If you have the tax account number that you have noted down from the previous year, you can enter the account number and then click on search. Then only your home address will be shown here, because you are specifically looking for the tax account number. If you do not have the tax account number, you can enter your address, which is your home number followed by the street name, and then click on search. Only your home will be shown. Now to give an example, let us search Main Street, then click on search. It is going to show me multiple accounts, and let us take an example of this particular address. And if you want to pay for this account number, you need to click on the option of add to cart. So this is as if you are making a shopping on Amazon. Click on view cart. This is where you make the payment for the tax. Now you need to understand there are multiple options by which you can pay. You can pay using e-check, which is ACH transaction, where you have to provide your account number and the routing number, or you can pay using credit card, but it would charge a processing fee of around 3% or $3 minimum. And you can also pay using PayPal, but the processing fee is 3% or $3 minimum. Now if you want to make a payment after 17 days, so currently the date is January 12 as of this recording, the date by which you need to pay your property taxes, that is the deadline of your property taxes payment, is 31st January every year. So that repeats every year, and same deadline is 31st. So every year the deadline is same, it is January 31st, and you usually get the tax bill until November, and you can make tax protest during May. And I have added a video in my channel regarding the tax protest and how to reduce your property taxes by the use of homestead exemption. Those are the two methods by which you can reduce your property taxes, and those videos are present on my channel. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for such content ahead. So now if you look at the four options, the first three options is for pay now. You can make the payment just now. If you want to schedule a future payment, that is pay as of January 28 or 29 or 30, you can mention the date. So for that you need to click on this schedule a future payment option. So when you click on this, it is going to redirect you to a portal e-Citizen, wherein you are supposed to sign up your account using username, password, then it verifies your personal details, then it verifies your address details, contact information and review. These are all the requirements in order to register for the e-Citizen portal. So let's take a look. You need to provide username, then password, then you need to click on next. So it is going to ask you the other details, which are personal details, address details and contact information and review. And when you give the contact information, it's going to ask you for phone number and email, and then you need to verify both of that. And then you are registered. After that you can go to sign in. You can sign in and make a future payment schedule. Okay, now let's take a look at the option of pay now through the ACH option, because this is where the processing fee is very low, which is $1. So click on this. This is going to ask you for the email address for the payment receipt. So please enter your email address correctly, because this is where you will receive the fee payment receipt after you have made the payment of the property taxes. Then click on I accept, and then it is going to ask you the bank account holder information and the bank account information, which is account number and routing number. This is where you need to present the name of the account holder as in the bank account. Then you need to provide the holder address with no punctuation, so that is, you need to just mention the house number, and then you need to mention the street name. Then you can mention the city, then you can mention the zip code, then you can add the phone number. Then you need to mention the account type, either check-in account, so it is not given the option of savings, so you need to make the payment of the property taxes for Travis County using check-in account only. This is where you need to enter the routing number. If you see a example check, this is where the routing number is located, and this is the bank account number. You need to enter the routing number information, then you need to enter the bank account number, then you need to confirm the bank account number and enter the same account number over here, and then this is not required, and this one is authorized signer on the bank account. So basically whoever is the account holder, you can write the name of the account holder here. After that, click on next. It is going to present you with all the information that you have provided. You need to confirm that information, such as the account number, routing number, the account holder name, and the billing address, and then you need to make a click on the process payment. After that, your payment is made and you will receive a receipt on the email. Now you can also take a printout of the receipt that it is going to show you for additional proof of payment. And that's it. This is how you need to pay the property taxes in a county in Texas, especially the Travis County. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to check out my videos on how to save the property taxes through tax protest and the homestead exemption. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.